Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm here with my friend Mimi.
Hi.
We just did a Stampin' Up unboxing, and now we're doing a new unboxing, which is FabFitFun. This one says the editor's box. I have seen these all over the internet, and I said I have to get one of those. And then they reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try one, and I'm like, yes,
Yep.
yes I do.
Yes, please.
So we're gonna unbox this. And is it sponsored by them? I guess it is. I mean, I didn't get paid for it, but they sent this to me to give it a try. So let's go ahead and see, because I'm super excited. So definitely want to thank FabFitFun. But look at the box just alone. Super cute, right? And so Mimi wanted to open it. She's been wanting to open it all day. So she's been eyeballing all my things, you guys. Since I was gone, I came back. And how many packages? There are so many packages. It probably came up to about this high on me.
Yeah.
So, okay, here we go.
That's cute.
Your box is full of secrets, and we are sharing them. And then this one says, a note from us. We're bringing you the best of the best. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. XOXO. There we go. All right. I'm getting a low battery, so we're going to just go through this. This says the gift that keeps on giving. It's a $10 gift code for FabFitFun.
Cool.
Fun. And this is a $50 gift card for HelloFresh.
Nice.
I've never tried any of these, and I probably
either.
should. But let's see what we got.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I already see something I love.
You do? What is it?
Right there.
Look at that. Sorry, don't
Oh,
mean
that's
to
okay.
cut you off. It is packed with stuff. Okay,
gosh.
tell me what it. Grab what you. So you already know this?
No, I just love the color.
Ah.
Oh, I do have this. I have the, yes, I know exactly what that is.
This is called Tarte Skincare Drink
Yep.
of H2O Hydrating Boost.
And I love it.
Do you?
Yes. Yes, I love it. I looked at it and I was like, well, that kind of looks familiar, but I have a little jar of it. It's the little, yeah.
Look at that.
Excuse me.
So,
I just used some a minute ago on my face.
did you really?
Yeah.
Well, it smells nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it smells really nice. So you already
I
know.
know, yeah. And it works. I feel like it really works well, too.
Huh.
I got mine from Sephora, but yeah.
So there you go.
Mm-hmm. Good stuff, that stuff.
We're gonna unbox and unbox. So let's see what's this is. Okay, it's got bubble wrap. There we go. You can grab something and unbox it if you want. We're unboxing the unboxes. This is a Smokin' Hot Palace by Ish.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
This is called Summer and Rose, a place for everything. Not sure what it is yet, but I'll let you see. Ooh.
What is it? Oh.
Looks like a little soap dish or a little trinket dish.
Trinket dish for, oh yeah.
Ooh, pretty. It's got this little rose and these gold, kind of like the mosaic.
Mosaic. If you don't know what we're talking about, you gotta check out my Stampin' Up unboxing.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at that.
We're all, ooh, look at this. Ooh, look at that. That is really cute.
Isn't that cute?
Mm-mm.
I don't know if you guys can see it with the glare. Maybe not so much. There you go.
It's a little trinket dish.
Yeah, so cute.
Hey, I would say that's a Rococo Rose color.
Yes, I think so. I think that's a Rococo Rose for sure.
Tell me in the comments below if you know what I'm referencing with the Rococo Rose. Here is the palette, so let's open it together. Oh, it's got a mirror.
Oh, wow. Pretty colors.
Yeah.
Kind of like the new colors in Stampin' Up.
Right? Is that the
Uh-huh.
the terracotta?
Yeah.
These are really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And some of them are shimmery and some of them are matte. So we will see. I'm sorry about that glare. Look at that.
I'm already digging into something else.
Oh, what'd you find?
Leave on Dead Sea Mud by Ahava. They can't see it when I'm holding it. I'll bet it's
Look at that.
charcoal color.
We're totally girls' nighting it all mud mask tonight. Let's see. I always feel like self-conscious when I'm opening things and the camera's running. I'm like, they're waiting, they're waiting.
Yeah, but they want to see, right? You guys
Right.
want to see, right? I do.
So it says a mud mask, but it looks like it's
wow.
a cream. It smells good. And these are
Kinda like a-
full-size samples. These aren't like just little guys.
Oh, okay. So this is Dermot Intense Foot Cream for dry and sensitive skin
Oh.
relief. This is probably gonna be really nice, I would think.
Yeah.
And it smells kind of on the lines of cocoa butter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're not going to be putting it on our face. It just said mud.
Yeah, it doesn't go here. It goes on the feet. Yeah.
But this one we will be putting on our face. What were you just saying about our eyes? This is a renewing eye cream by Murad.
Oh yeah.
So, and this is the little guy. But these are like large size products, you guys. This is crazy.
They're really big, actually. They're full size.
Yeah. You can smell that if you want. Yeah, that is a half a fluid ounce. So, and this says number 3, hydrate.
I'm gonna
So there
open
must be a number 1 and a number 2.
Or maybe I won't. I was gonna open it, try and smell it, but I don't want to break it.
Okay. Next one is body lotion. This is a. Ooh, I bet this is gonna be nice. It's got mandarin, orange, and bergamot.
Ooh.
Which I love bergamot and I love citrus. And it's got one of these little guys.
Maybe it's got something, huh?
Oh, this is really thick too. This is a really thick lotion there. See that? Ooh. It's nice. It smells like a spa almost.
I like this one better than one I have.
Yeah. This is
I like it a
by
lot better, actually.
Levito. Inspired by nature, it says.
Cool.
And then this one is 4.05 fluid ounces. You guys, it smells like a spa. It smells like going to a nice fancy spa, and it's really fresh.
Okay, so this, I don't know. Let's see. It just says strengthening. I don't really see a name other than that.
Nail and cuticle serum.
Yeah, and then it's I see it on the back somewhere. It says something about lavender.
So this one, it says 100% natural, and that's all it does. It says strengthening, and then nail and cuticle serum,
Let's see.
and it gives you directions, and who's it by?
That's what I was looking for. I didn't see who it was by.
Well, I can see, it's something, you guys, I'm getting old. I cannot see.
Whoa.
It's,
I
Can you-
barely used any, and look how it's like.
it goes all over.
Yeah, you don't need hardly any. This stuff is gonna last you a long time. Okay, let's see.
Way of something. What does that say? It's so teeny tiny.
Way of Will Ink. Okay, WILL.
There you go. Can you read that?
Yeah,
Okay.
wow.
I'm going to leave that right there so you can screenshot it and then widen it up and see if you could read that along with the directions.
That little itty bitty drop got all 5 of my nails.
Yeah?
Yeah. So you want to put some on? Oh, you have
No,
one but still.
I just had mine done yesterday. And then this is the last one. This is charitable eyewear. It's called Diff.
Okay.
And it says, let's make a difference. So, they must give it to a charity.
I think it's for women's groups. I'm not sure.
For every pair of Diff shades sold, we donate 1 pair of glasses to a person in need. How cool is that?
So it's not just women, it's everybody.
It's
That's really neat.
everybody.
Love it. So those must be glasses?
I think they're sunglasses. Because they wouldn't give us glasses, would they?
Right, no, I know how to, but I think, wow.
So it comes with this little guy. And what's cool is you can buy all of this stuff that we're showing. Oh, they're aviators.
Nice.
They are aviators. So I already knew what my favorite product was out of this whole box. You'll have to think of yours. But this may be a game changer because I'm all about the aviators.
Nice.
Did you see that duck face? As soon as she got the glasses and the camera. These are nice.
Yeah, they look good too.
Yeah.
Ooh, sister. We're gonna be rocking it tomorrow. Hey, how these look on the top of my glasses? Oh,
Nice.
they're almost the same size.
You can't
Hey.
tell. So you can buy these, you guys. You can buy this whole box, and it's really affordable. And they boast about having over $200 of products in these.
Yeah.
And now that I'm looking at it, yes, I can see. So I will put information down below, and see. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back. They sent me an email, and I will let you know if there's any discount codes or any special link or anything, and I'll put that down below as well. So make sure you check that out. And then, what is your favorite product?
I'm gonna have to go with the thing that I already own because I know how much I love it. So it's gonna be the
This one.
Mm-hmm.
The Tarte
H2O
drink of H2O.
Mm-hmm.
Hydrating boost.
Mm-hmm.
She loves it.
Yeah, I use it every day, and most people don't guess how old I am, or that I have grandkids even. So
There you go. That's a pretty darn good sale there. My favorite is actually this Levito. It just smells so good, and it feels really good.
Yeah, it really does feel nice.
Like, I'm feeling my other fingers that don't have it on there, and then these,
Yeah.
and it's already like so smooth.
And it's not sticky.
No, not at all.
No stickiness.
So this one's my favorite, and then this one's her favorite. How cool. And then be on the lookout. Check out my eyes in future videos. And then check out my glasses in future Instagrams. So very cool. Thank you for unboxing this with me.
Thank you for letting me.
Yeah.
I love it. I had so much fun.
All right, beauties. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it. Again, I'm so glad to be back just doing videos and just chit-chatting with you guys again. I missed you, and I know you guys missed me because you all told me, and I appreciate it. So, all right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.